32, and it's time for a Tote haul once again. So yeah, I'm gonna do this Tote haul, but before I get started, I want to ask a favor of you guys. Please go to www.positivelyliving without the G, livin.com. Positively Living. I need y'all to go over there and subscribe. Hello. Subscribe to my blog, guys. I have 2 postings and it updates every time that I upload a video. You'll be able to go there and see everything from videos to Instagram posts to blogs. Everything will be right there in that one spot. So I think it's well worth you guys going over there to positively.living.com. And it's not living with a G, living, livin.com. So go on over and check out that website, and it's time to dive into the Tote box. This is my last Tote. Yes, it is. Only because, y'all, some of the, I'm looking for more modern things, and I have to always go in and change things out of my tote to fit what I like. So this will be my last Tote. I'm thinking about Stitch Fix or something, but if you guys have one that you can recommend and I can look into, put it down below and then I'll check it out, okay? So let's just dive right in. The first thing I got was a blouse. It's kind of like it's kind of like a coral. It is a coral color actually. And it's kind of weird. Oh, this goes around your neck, I guess. This goes around your neck. So yeah, this is kind of cute. I like the color. You know, it's pretty spring color, whatever, but yeah. Pretty stuff. They have really pretty stuff, but kind of not what I'm looking for. Like, I seem like I have to hunt high and low to really find something that I really want. Now, this is the one thing that I was looking forward to. OMG. Look at this. This is the type of stuff that I love. It's a maxi dress. The brand is Melissa Masse, M-A-S-S-E. And this is so spring that I wouldn't be surprised if I send the box back and don't have this in it, because this is, I love stuff like this. It's so girly, and it comes down far enough, reaches the floor, and look, it's kind of got that wrap deal to it, so it's really, really cute. Like, I love that. I was really looking forward to this. So yeah, and then the, the blouse is by Octavia. I've had some pieces from Octavia. Then, I think I got another dress. Oh, I did. And this is a wrap dress as well. This is cute too. Really bold colors and stuff. And this is Anne Klein. So you know that's gonna be really, really nice. Yeah, so I may end up, I don't know, y'all. Because they're telling me when I canceled my subscription today, they're telling me I have to send the tote back like by tomorrow, and that way they'll go ahead and I guess not charge me. But the deal is, when you put the stuff in the mail, when the post office scans it, then that's how they know that it's on its way back. So if I do get something, like I have to get it tonight and then put the others back in the bag and not wear them. So yeah, we'll see what happens, because I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'll go ahead and just keep the doggone pieces, and then that way I can wear them throughout the week and then cancel the next subscription. I don't know how to do that. Okay, we'll see. But anyway, I got this silver cuff, which I don't think I ever wear cuffs, but this is kind of cute, huh? Should maybe give me a few cuffs. That's cute. And then I have a necklace. Like the jewelry, the accessories are nice. I don't ever hardly switch out the accessories. Oh, this is cute. See, I like stuff like this. This is edgy. So yeah, let's see if they have the prices in here. Let's see what we're charging with. Okay, so the Octavia off-shoulder halter is $48. The Anne Klein printed dress is $53. They got it on sale. And then the Melissa Mace dress is $58. So the cuff is $36, and then the Vince Camuto necklace is $34. So if I get anything, it's going to be either the Anne Klein dress or the Melissa Mace dress that I'll keep. But after that, that's it. I'm not doing anything else with the Tote. I like the Tote, but some of the clothes that they have are just a little outdated. They're just a little too outdated for me. So, and like I said, I really have to search. Not a lot, but I have to search in order to find something that's my style, you know. And I know the first time, that first box that they were trying to send me, I was like, baby, no, like, it just was not my style. It's very old, I guess you can say. I know I'm about 48 years old. I ain't like I'm a spring young chicken. I'll be 48 this year, but, you know, your girl, I got a little style, a little flow. So yeah, we'll figure it out. I'll try these clothes on, so stay tuned.